Welcome, welcome, boys. Does your Ford F-150 have cracked, damaged, or leaking taillights? Do you need to know how to replace them and where to get the new ones from? Well, just stay tuned, and me and the boys at BeamTrack have got you covered. This is a sponsored product review. Kind folks at BeamTrack sent me two taillights for this 2019 Ford F-150. One for the left, and one for the right. Came packaged with plenty of foam here in the box, so there's no wiggle room. Brand new and clear. We'll be replacing the one on each side, and as we can see, our driver's side one, the factory one, has a bit of moisture intrusion, and holes had to be drilled to kind of let the water out. So we're gonna fix and alleviate that issue by installing these new BeamTrack taillight assemblies. The link for this product will be in the description and the pinned comment below. In order to remove this, we have two 10mm right here. We just need to get this out of the way first. For this particular vehicle, you may not have to remove that if you do not have this gas shock absorber on your tailgate. Alright, Steve manhandled the spring into the bed, but with that aside, once you do that, you can just pull that free. So we now have access to the bolt here. They are actually 8mm, not 10.
Pull. So you gotta pull it this way.
Well, that's one way of doing it, but the our new one just comes with that.
Yeah, but
Why don't you just unplug that one?
is that what you do? I don't know.
I mean, if you want to reuse your old bulbs, you can, but if not, you could just unplug that. Alright, so we're going to do two installations here. Essentially, if you want to keep your old ones, you can unplug them all from the assembly like we just did. And then you'll just do the same thing here, unplug them. And then we'll just tie into that. So we'll do that on this side, and then for those of you who want us to do the quick plug and play, we got you on this side.
It just popped in here. I have extra bulbs.
You can save that for a rainy day. Alright, put her in.
Poke her in.
You just gotta line up your holes there.
Did I lose a poppy thing right here? This plastic thing, I guess? Did one that's still on
The
here?
plastic thing's on there, on the OG. Okay, boys, and after popping that out with a pry tool there, you can reinsert that over here.
Is this gonna pop?
Yeah, she's in.
I mean, it's
She's in!
now it is. What's in there?
Spring on. And look at that. It's one brand spanking new taillight. Alright, we're going to do the other side. Same procedure. Did the same thing on this side as the other, where the plastic pin stayed on the bottom with the truck, but came with the assembly on the top. And as you saw there, boys, he just unplugged that and that. So now we just got to get our push pin back. Good luck finding that.
Oh.
We found it, boys, and it only took 2.3 seconds. All right, affixed.
Is that it?
Well, it helps if you make it face the right way.
Okay, that's it. It's got to line up. There we go. Okay.
Satisfying click. Line up the holes. Perfect. Let's give her a test to make sure she's road ready. Alright, boys, and as we see, they are on. It's brakes. Works on both sides. So you can do either or. Leave your original bulbs, or just plug straight into the pigtail on that side. But again, a big thanks to BeamTrack for sending me these F-150 taillights. I'm excited. Steve's really excited, because now we don't have any more moisture in here. So, brand spanking new mint. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in these for your F-150, do check down below in the description and the pinned comment. They'll take you right there to the site on Amazon. BeamTrack will get you hooked up. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.